episodes of Chuck. You've already answered that question. So
if you're in Toronto, call me.
Are you going to give out your number, Gray?
No, just send an email to mail@chuckpodcast.com and I might be able to hook you up.
Uh-huh.
There you go, Sydney.
There's one from some troops in Afghanistan.
Yeah, I got a couple of weeks ago, I got a really cool email that just almost made me cry again. You know, me in the waterworks. It was just really touching that they took the time to write this email. So I'm going to go ahead and read a part of it here. It says, hello, Mel. My name is Vern, and like you, I'm a huge Chuck fan. I am currently serving God and country on the front lines in an extremely remote location in Afghanistan. I have to be somewhat cryptic about who I am and what exactly I do because of security reasons. I have purchased all of the Chuck episodes on iTunes, and I have signed up to receive Chuck versus the podcast. My guys and I are completely addicted to Chuck, and we have watched all the episodes multiple times. There's no doubt in my mind that it's the best TV show ever. I love what you've all have done with the websites and the podcast. Keep up the great work with supporting Chuck. The rest of us Chuck fans appreciate your efforts immensely. Another devoted fan, Vern. So we just wanted to say, you know, hey to Vern and his team.
Hey, Vern.
We're so glad you're listening to us, and, you know, come home safely.
And we appreciate your efforts.
Absolutely.
Yeah, thanks, guys.
Yeah. We got quite a few other comments. We're not going to read all of them. Actually, there weren't that many questions per se, but just a lot of people talked about the interview with Tim Jones. It really seemed to strike a chord with people. In particular, Martina mentioned she's going to pay a lot more attention to the music because of how it really opened her eyes to the process. Lake, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, wanted to share the favorite moment from the music of Chuck during episode 8 when Chuck and Sarah are talking about their lives not flashing before their eyes and the music swells and you expect Chuck to lunge into a huge romantic kiss, but sadly he breaks up to her. Genius moment.
That was brilliant.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah. I love how this show kind of plays against all the cliches.
Yeah.
Another moment when they do another area where they do that is, you know, kind of in the action spy thriller, you're used to having the females being scantily clad and, you know, kind of having that gratuitous sort of titillation there. And you know, this show does it. Yvonne has to change in the locker room or whatever, but you also get, you know, Captain Awesome wearing his bike shorts and no shirt and, you know, all these different things. So it just like continuously plays against what you expect for the genre, which I love.
Yeah. Oh, I love Captain Awesome shopping for the washer and dryer.
Exactly. And Ellie's the one that wants the big screen TV. That's another example.
Yeah. So a few other people, of course, we want to shout out to our Swedish connection, Johan, who helped us out with the translation last week. And as well, Jay McKee and Dora the Explorer.
Who again used those magical, mystical words. And she includes Mel in that too.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm pretty too.
Yeah.
Thanks, Dora the Explorer. Tell Boots we said hi.
Yeah, and we want to thank everybody else for your comments. Boy, the list is getting bigger from Argentina, Brazil, Sweden, Afghanistan, Australia, and Canada, and the States. And where else? Tell us where you're sending from. We want to hear from you. That is mail@chuckpodcast.com. You can always comment on our websites, either chucktv.net or www.chuckpodcast.com. You can post reviews on iTunes. Definitely please vote for us at Podcast Alley.
Yes, we want to hear from you guys. And, you know, as we're going into kind of a dry spell as far as new episodes, tell us what you want us to talk about and what you'd like to hear, what kind of news and information you'd like us to present for you. This is for you guys, you know, it's for all the Chuck fans. So we'll talk about what you want us to talk about. So let us know.
Yeah, and what kind of contests you'd like to see. One thing, certainly, if you have any fun photoshopping, any fun photos that you've made in the Chuck flavor, please email them to us. We'd love to even include them in the Enhanced AAC and the podcast, maybe even put them on the site. Let's have a lot of fun with Chuck this summer.
Yeah. We actually launched a new section of chucktv.net with desktop wallpapers, which I'm kind of behind on getting those added. Sorry, guys. I'm going to work on that this weekend, I think. We've had some really cool submissions and we'd love to have more. We have a fan art section of the gallery at chucktv.net. So send them in.
Yep. So I guess we're going to wrap it up for our episode. It's been a little shorter one, like I said, but next time, hopefully, fingers crossed, we're going to have a great interview for you and lots more great content.
Yep. So stay tuned. And for my new sign off, I'm just going to say hi to Vern and the boys.
And hi to everybody else. And thanks for your votes. Thanks for listening.
Come on back next time.